Over 40 production lines, covering HFW, LSAW, anti-corrosion coating, and deep processing, forming a fully integrated manufacturing system. Scale meets precision, with automated operations, stable output, and full process traceability. Specialized anti-corrosion lines, designed to withstand the toughest oil and gas environments. All testing is traceable and verifiable, backed by a laboratory accredited to international standards. Technology drives quality, and every operation starts with safety and professionalism. Green manufacturing runs through every process. Low-carbon operations are reflected in every detail. With a daily output of 10,000 tons, we serve global oil and gas, bridge construction, marine and urban infrastructure projects. This is Huayong, turning steel into trust and details into lasting commitments.